In today's quick and short tutorial, we'll show you how to fix apps keep crashing on your Android phone. So if you're trying to open up a certain app or game, and it keeps crashing, we'll show you how to resolve the issue. So the first step is to open up the Play Store app, and make sure you're signed into your account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Once inside, click Manage Apps and Devices. Here, you will be able to see if you have any updates available. You can either see the details of which apps have updates, or if you're happy to proceed, just click on the Update All option. Once the updates are complete, go back to your home screen and click on your phone settings. Now we need to see if your phone has any software updates available. Scroll down to where it says Software Update, and click on it. My phone is up to date, but if yours has updates, make sure you install them before the next step. Once any software updates are installed, go into your list of apps by opening Settings, then Apps. If there's a particular app giving you problems, such as crashing or freezing, go ahead and click on that particular app. Here, I will use the YouTube Studio app as an example. Once inside the app settings, select Force Stop and confirm it. Now, open Storage Usage. Here, you need to press on Clear Data and select OK, then clear the cache. Once these steps are complete, the final step is to restart your phone. Press and hold the power off button and confirm the restart. All apps should now function normally.